Morning guys, we have a Audi A1 S line 2014. Our reg number is November Uniform 64 Zulu Kilo Mother. It's the black color stunning 3 doors. It's only one previous owner, 80,000 on the clock. The cam belt has been replaced on it and we got the proof for it, so we can show the proof to you, that one. And as you know, the car has been nearly about 10 to 12-year-old, so you'll be expected minor scratch but not major anything like that. I will say she keep it very well, there's no dent, nothing on the car, if you can see front of it, the tires, and go inside slowly. So that's the inside version of it of the car from one side. It's coming to back here to just open the back here. Just come outside and then just go quickly run around for it. I'm gonna also close the doors and everything for you, so I can show you the view from there. This stunning view from the inside. The car's still open. This car we bought it in private from motorway. The lady, she was when we asked them that why are you selling the car, she said that she bought a new car, so she just want to rid of that one, but she keep it for a long time, that car. And as you can see, this is the door, and that's the half leather interior, so you will get the half leather on it. And the seat is S-line seat, as you can see here, it's been written down there. So that's the front of the car. Now we're gonna close the door for here, and I can show you that.